Not a small one. It's a nice bass.
Welcome back to TVA Outdoors. Today we're gonna be going fishing and stuff, but first make sure y'all like and subscribe because we're looking at it and it was like only 73% of y'all are like subscribed or not subscribed. It's like 27 are. Something like that. No, 27 are. So just whatever. Alright boys, well we just got to the spot and we're putting the caster on out and see what happens. Here's the temperature and stuff for today. Alright, well, my pole's getting hot skin. Alright, well, he just caught this little bait fish thing. Yeah, I'm gonna swing her on out
there. Alright guys, just got to this pond. We're gonna be using all these things right here, try to catch some bass, because obviously we don't catch any saltwater, so yeah, might as well try this. First, I'm gonna be using this rooster tail spinner, see if we can catch some bass with it. Got one, like third cast in. Nice bluegill. It's got some weird colors on it. Good way to start the day. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a few bass beds over there. You can kind of see them. I'm gonna try to cast into there. There might be some sitting there. The water is pretty low right now. You can see kind of where it usually is, and it's all the way out there right now. A little one. Little bass. There we go. Nice little bass. Time to release him. Just came off. Let's try it. That was my first cast in this corner. Let's see if I can get it again. Just hit my thing. I just hit it. The spinner right up here. Right at the end. Hey. Oh. Let it sink for a minute. Didn't get that one on video very good, but it was because it came up right on the edge, but it's a little bluegill. There's a little creek back here I think I'm gonna go down to and try to fish in this and up the stream a little bit, give it a try. Got another one. Another bluegill. Another bluegill. just great. How did this happen? You catching anything right now? Yeah, me neither. I'm about to switch baits. By the way, next week we'll be doing turkey hunting in North Carolina and trout fishing. If y'all wanna, that'll probably be our next video next week. I think I'm gonna try this right here next. Fluke. I just missed a nice fish. Stressful. I thought I was hung. Popped it right out of his mouth. Take it. This is not a small one. It's a nice bass. Finally. Ooh, that's a nice bass. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's stuck right there. Come on. Let's see it. Screw it, I'm going in. Ooh, water fish. Oh, that's a sinkhole. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. That's the bass I've been waiting for right there. Pretty nice bass right there. Good 2 pound, maybe. Pretty nice one. Finally caught a decent sized bass. Pretty good. Nice bass. Boomed out. That water is not the warmest either. Pretty cold actually. It's a good release on this. Keep on fishing. Had to switch back to the spinner because, you know, wasn't really catching anything off of anything else, so spinner was a good option. Well, guess we're gonna be reeling in some pole today. That was interesting. Woo. Look at that one. It's a good catch right there. Maybe we can get another one of them bigger bass. The one just caught about 20 minutes ago. And ever since then, the only thing we've been catching is... Well, my phone went dead, so couldn't make any more videos, and I'm already back at the house now. It's just now got charged. But I think I'm gonna end the video right there. Hope y'all enjoyed it.